Welcome to another edition of Big O Video. Today we have legendary chef Ski back with us.
Hey guys.
Also known as the Polish Kielbasa. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take these pork tenderloins that were stuffed with Kielbasa and put them on the cooker. These were purchased at Patak Meat Market in Austell, Georgia, not too far outside of Atlanta. And you're talking about an unbelievable array of meats. Chef Ski, why don't you bring them in a little bit more about Patak Meat Market?
They've got unbelievable selection of meats and different kielbasa sausages. Coming from a Polish guy, I know this stuff. They're unbelievable. They also do online ordering, so look them up and reach out to them. Great guy.
So what we're going to do here is, if you going to take this pork tenderloin, what we did is we took the wireless probe, removed the screw from the bottom of the cooker, ran the wireless probe up through, and we're going to put it in the center of the thickest part of the pork tenderloin. We also put the pork wood chips in between the drip pan and the cooking cylinder. These are available at www.theorioncooker.com. So as I said, what we're going to do is take this, put it in the center of the tenderloin. We're going to move it over here, making sure that the meat does not touch the cooking cylinder, just like that. Also, be aware that when you do this, make sure that the probe is facing up, so the lead is up. If it's facing down, the moisture from the meat product is going to follow that lead all the way down, out through the cooker and onto your driveway or your concrete. So just make sure that it's pointing up. We're going to take the other tenderloin, put it on here. We're anticipating this is going to take about 45 minutes to an hour, but with this wireless probe here, we're going to pull it at 150 degrees, and we'll go from there. See you shortly. Take care. All right, guys, so we're back after 45 minutes. The meat, internal temperature of the meat was 150 degrees, which is exactly where we wanted to be. And let's go ahead and pull them off and sample these bad boys.
Woo! Those looking good, son.
Smelling good.
Looking good. Good night. Drop them up here. Yep. Thank you, sir.
Here's this bad boy now. Let's see. That probe is done.
Yeah. God, those look good. Christian.
45 minutes. And we're let's start with the biggest one here and cut into this thing and see. Good gracious.
Night. That looks amazing.
Moist.
How easy was that? 45 minutes and it's literally dripping.
Pork, kielbasa. Fantastic. Grab you some.
I'm gonna steal in
Chef
there.
Ski.
Thank you, sir.
Gonna be a little bit hot. Let's try it out.
All right. Cheers.
Here. Oh my God. That's it.
We'll one more.
This is definitely going to be in the rotation for future cooks for sure.
Delicious.
Also, just want to let you guys know, the Orion Cooker supports and has for a long time the Navy SEAL Foundation, hence the shirt. If you get a minute, go check it out at NavySealFoundation.org. They do phenomenal things for SEALs and their families. So until next time, guys, take care and be safe out there. Have a good one.
Orion Cooker, Polish Kielbasa, take 3. Click.